Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Targon token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Targon SN4 is a decentralized GPU compute marketplace built on the Bittensor network, providing secure infrastructure for AI workloads through an easy to use API and developer tools. Decentralized AI compute. It creates a marketplace where GPU provides can monetize ideal capacity and developers can access distributed computing power for AI models. Privacy first architecture. A key innovation is its focus on confidential compute using technology like Intel's TDX to run sensitive AI workloads on unstructured hardware, addressing a major barrier in decentralized AI. Bittensor subnet. As subnet SN4 on Bittensor, it operates within a decentralized machine learning protocol where miners are rewarded in tau for providing valuable compute services. Targon project institution rating is 3.7. Targon token total supply is 4.41 million and circulating supply is also 4.41 million. SN4 token. SN4 token is listed on Bit10 subnet and other exchanges. Targon project institution rating is 3.7. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.